UND's Staff Senate was established in 1998 to advocate for staff by supporting engagement, professional development, and recognition through shared governance and collaboration.
We work hard to elevate the diverse viewpoints and experiences of our campus's employees and to create a welcoming and inclusive environment where each employee feels valued and respected.
The U-Shine Award, a monthly tradition that highlights employees' dedication and contributions, is one way we recognize our outstanding staff members.
Our celebrations continue during State Employee Recognition Week in September and Spring Fling in April, where staff members can come together, celebrate, and strengthen relationships with their colleagues from across campus.
Staff Senate is also dedicated to supporting staff as they grow in their careers through investments in professional development opportunities. We offer funding opportunities through Seeds for Staff Success to support staff members seeking development opportunities. To fund these initiatives, senators organize fundraising events such as the 31 Days of Glory raffle, a long-standing tradition at UND.
Our commitment to serve extends beyond campus to the larger community. Through initiatives like Tubs of Love and Jeans Give Back, Staff Senate contributes to regional causes that enhance our community.
At UND Staff Senate, your voice matters. We can't wait to recognize your accomplishments, speak out for your needs, and use shared governance's potential to create a better future. Welcome to UND.